Okay, so for part B of the lab, we are going to set the length at 0.5 meters. Okay, we're going to keep it there. We're going to still keep using 10 degrees, but what we're going to do is change the mass. So you're going to start with the empty bob with no mass on it. You can weigh it, and you can weigh it by going over to the counter and sticking it in the yellow scale. Just see how many grams it is. Then you're going to find the period with just the empty bob. So make sure the length is 0.5 meters. Measure it carefully. Measure from the top here to right there, this point right where the straight shaft meets the ball. So that point right there at the end of my finger is where you're going to measure the length. Then you're going to find the period. Then you're going to add a washer. So now the mass increased. So you can weigh one washer and you can add it to the mass of the wood, and that's the new mass. Set it back up, make sure it's exactly 0.5 meters long, and again, carefully measure the period by timing 10 swings. Then, after doing one, you're going to add two more. So now you have three. So we'll do 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, that's how many washers we'll do. And each time, you're going to find the period, and then you're going to see if you can find a math model, a relationship between the period, the time it takes to swing back and forth, and the mass. That's part 2 of the experiment, okay? So just make sure that in every time you get the length exactly the same, you pull it back 10 degrees, and measure carefully 10 swings, all right?